Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post future videos. Please like this video. Is the only thing I will ever ask you to do. Leave a comment in the comments box below. If you have questions, you have got thoughts, I would like to hear what you guys think. Okay, like the video. So today I just want to respond to some of the comments that I usually see on the videos. I'm not bashing anybody, I'm not bashing anyone. If it's you and you're watching this video, I'm not bashing you. Consider this as friendly advice. So there are guys who often post in the comments of the videos asking and begging people for monies to fund their accounts. Whenever somebody posts a comment, you find some people come on that comment and start asking the person if they are able to send them some money so that they can be able to fund their trading accounts. Whether it's true or whether it's false, they are just wanting to get money, I don't know. But here's the thought: if it's genuinely a request for money to fund a trading account, so the first thing is you probably want to have a plan on how you are going to fund your initial account. The thing is, you are probably not going to have much success begging people on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube for money. You probably can do that until the next 10 years. You probably have a 1% success rate. Probably if they continue doing it, probably it's working, I don't know. But my thinking is, since I've never done it, it's probably going to be less than 1% success rate. Most people I know don't just send people they don't know money over the internet. So what do you do if you genuinely want to fund your trading account and you have got $0 in your pocket? First of all, I just want to say, find a broker that takes the bare minimum deposit. For example, in the description box below is my primary broker. I'm not endorsing them. I'm not endorsing them. I am not promoting them. But the thing is, the minimum deposit that you can make with them is $5. You just need to put together $5 and you can deposit it and you have a start. Again, I'm not saying you should go and open with my broker. Find another broker that takes $5 or $10. Why I'm saying so is there are brokers that take minimum $200, and you're probably thinking you need $200, $500, $1,000 to be able to start trading. That's why you are all over the internet begging people, asking people for money to fund your trading. So how I would approach it is either use my broker or find another broker that takes those small deposits. Then if you are at absolute zero, you probably look around your house. There are probably a lot of stuff that's just lying there that you no longer use. Maybe an old PlayStation, maybe old PC games, maybe old whatever. Or maybe you have got more pairs of sneakers than you can wear. How about you sell that other pair of sneakers and you have yourself a $10 to fund your account? Or maybe if you have nothing, say you are totally broke and you have nothing to sell, you have nothing, How about you probably provide a service? You can easily wash somebody's car, cut their loan and things like that, and easily raise $5, $10, and you can do that over a day. You don't need 10 weeks to raise $10 from that. Then you come back and you make your deposit. I said the broker that I used, link is in the description, or you can find another broker of your choice. It doesn't matter, it really doesn't matter. From there, you need to find a simple strategy, a simple forex strategy that will make you money fairly quicker and is fairly easier and straightforward. For example, the moving average strategy is one of the simplest strategies in forex. So you basically approach it with scalping, a scalping mentality. So you're probably playing at 15 minutes, 5 minutes, not 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. When moving average crosses, your moving average, when they cross, you enter, you buy or you sell, and when you are good enough, you get out of the trade. So before you enter every trade, you need to have your stop loss and your target. You cannot enter trades without a target. You need to have a target. So by the end of the day, you'll find that if you are being consistent with that strategy, following your rules, money management and everything, that $10 you probably would have doubled it to $20. That's scalping. And that is if you are not doing anything else. Of course, if you don't have money to fund your account with $10 or $20, it means you are not doing anything else. So you have all the time to be doing your scalping. The next day it's easier if you are disciplined. If you're disciplined with your trading or that strategy, it's easier to take that $10 to $100 in less than 2 weeks. I've seen it happen. I've seen guys around me doing it. I've done it previously and things like that. So you do not always have to go around begging people for money. And from there, who knows, you probably are the best trader the world has ever seen. It's just that you do not have money to fund your account. So from there are several companies online, Google, ftse. There are companies online that actually fund traders. What you just need to do is you need to have a track record. You need to prove that when they give you their money, you are not going to just blow their money, because they are investing as well. So basically, you just need to prove that when they give you their money, when they fund your account, you are able to turn that account, say from $1,000 to around about $2,000, and they take their cut and they leave you with your own cut. So yeah, I thought let me just talk to some of the guys who I see commenting on the videos. I'm not bashing anybody, it's just advice. Find something that you can do to just raise $10, $15, $20. It doesn't have to be a job. You don't need to be working a 9 to 5 to be able to fund a forex account. Just look around your house, sell stuff that you no longer use. Provide a service. Your neighbor is struggling with their loan, with their dogs and things like that. You can easily raise capital for your account. You don't need to beg anybody. 10 years from now, you'll still be on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and begging people, and nobody will give you any money. So yeah, like this video is to motivate me to continue making videos. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.